Hi there, I'm Kathy Hart and I'm the website designer, brander and photographer at my business, The Hearts Design. I'm passionate about helping folks like you who have a business idea and a lifestyle you wish to live on your terms. I've built online businesses for just short of a decade, so I know the quirks and struggles with websites and how to overcome them. I have an opportunity to work with me. Do my training, my live Q&As, be in my Facebook group so that I can teach you how to launch your website and brand in 10 weeks, with an additional 2 weeks of post-launch support that's personalised for you that are on my course. This is not just a training course, this is a doing course. While I do give context and explanations, this is a how do I course, where you can follow my cursor around the screen and see literally what I do to buy a domain, hosting, what those terms mean, all the way through to writing content, where the best place is to put that on your website and make it look good. In these 12 weeks, we'll be buying the tech to support your business. For example, Divi to make designing and layouts easier. Social media plugins so that you can work smarter. We'll be installing themes, plugins, content into your website, writing blogs, doing SEO and more. We'll do all of this with 2 practicalities in mind. Firstly, focusing on your customer with 3 questions. What does your customer want to know? What do you want your customer to know? And what do you want your customer to do? The second practicality is how to be human on your website with personality and do it in a way that search engines will love you. I want you to own and to know the tech of your website, to understand how it works and to work smarter, not harder. The course is £500 if paid in full, or $510 if you split it into 3 monthly bills of $170. I rounded the numbers up just to make it easier on myself so that I don't have to figure out how to split the pennies. Now is the ideal time to launch a business. It's always ideal. It's been a tough year, and for those of us with an online presence and website, I think we found it a smidge easier than those without. I'm only accepting 10 people onto my beta launch, so when those slots and opportunities are taken, that's it. If you are thinking of using bread and butter money to afford this, please don't. I don't want anybody to book onto this course that cannot honestly afford it. I will be doing the course and training again in the future. So, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, for reading, and to join me. I hope to help you stand out and to be great online. So who's ready to join me to launch your website and brand in February or March in 2021? Maybe I'll see you on my course? Maybe. See you there.